So this is a quick video on how to sample colors from Google Chrome with Adobe Illustrator. So here I have Adobe Illustrator and also I have Google Chrome opened with whatever website I want to sample the colors from. Now the next thing, we want to minimize Google Chrome and also minimize Adobe Illustrator. So we have the windows next to each other like this. Then we want to pick our eyedropper tool right here, and we can't just click on our image with our eyedropper tool because then we will just select this image because it's outside Adobe Illustrator. So what we want to do instead is first we want to click inside Adobe Illustrator, and then we want to drag our cursor all the way outside Adobe Illustrator and onto the website or image we want to sample the colors from. And as you can tell right here, if we look at our color in the fill, even though I hover over a blue color, it is still black inside here. And I did this on purpose because you might have the same problem. So if your eyedropper tool isn't sampling the colors directly, it's because you have a setting inside Google Chrome that doesn't allow you to sample the colors from Google Chrome. And this is how to fix it. So just so we can see a little bit better, I will maximize this window. Then you need to go inside settings in Google Chrome, and you do this by going to these three dots right here. Then select settings in the bottom. And then we want to go to this tab that says System. In this tab we have an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. And this is actually the one you want to disable. Then to activate this setting you want to relaunch the browser. Now we can go back to our website that we want to sample a color from. And we can make the browser window small again. And then let's try again. So go to the eyedropper tool, click one time at your canvas, and then drag the eyedropper tool all the way down to your website. And as you can tell right now, I'm getting this light blue from the ocean right here. And one last thing, if you're on Mac, you might have to do another setting inside your Mac system before you can use the eyedropper tool outside the Adobe Illustrator window. So I will just open this document. And if you're on Mac, you want to go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then go to Screen and System Audio Recording. And here you want to enable Adobe Illustrator. This should fix the issue if you're on Mac. Now you can go watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.